The Innovation Factory is a service provider for the rapid and agile development of physical and digital products, located here on the RWTH Aachen campus. We help companies to grow their ideas into innovations by bringing together all the necessary competences in the ecosystem of the campus. We support with state-of-the-art technology, with know-how, with finance, but also with the entrepreneurial teams that are necessary to make your innovation successful. If you ever thought about too little resources to explore new and innovative ways, or if you ever thought about building your own incubator for innovation, or if you are wondering how to make best use of state-of-the-art technology and an experienced team of experts and entrepreneurs, then the Innovation Factory is an excellent place to discuss and realize your innovation opportunities.